Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're gonna take up Zeus and get a little bit of speed reading. See how fast I can get this big old beast. Right, left, up, down, right, left.
Prop secured, motors on.
Motor's on. Let me make sure my hatch is secured. My last flight I had the problem with the hatch, but I didn't lose it, so sure my gear is going down. Retracts back down. All right. Got the KM model afterburner in there. Get it turned around here. Okay, we're reading now. Had to make sure that everything was working correctly with my GNS performance analyzer. Let's get it turned around here. If the Vulcan, FREEWING Vulcan, and the Avanti 2 had a baby, had a big baby, that's what this would be. Timer set for 4 minutes. Here we go.
Up.
All right, gonna take it up, flip it. Into the wind. Uh-oh, my hatch is coming off again.
Down.
Yeah. My hatch is coming off again.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yeah, she gets going too fast. Enough wind gets up inside that canopy. Yeah. Hey, it came off. Well, just shows you the plane can fly fine without the pilot. Oh, that wind. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to go in there, shave a little bit of foam to get maybe a little tighter seal, but maybe put some magnets in there.
Flaps up.
All right, let's continue on with our flight. You know what, let's pause for just a second. See what kind of speed we got. 135 mile an hour, 135. All right. I'll cross in front of you here. Here we go.
Gear up.
Well, that's a good flying plane.
Retract down.
Well, she is. She's so locked in. Make sure all my gear is down. And it is. Oh, we're starting to get rained on.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Landing flaps.
She's big and she's fairly heavy, so even with this wind, I'm going to put the flaps down.
Braking.
Don't need the braking, but I
Cruise mode.
used it anyways.
Up.
What a great flying jet. Great flying jet. All right, do some takeoff flaps.
Takeoff flaps.
This time. Here we go.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Love that afterburner. KM Models, thank you.
Retract down. Time remaining 1 minute.
All right, good.
Landing flaps.
Gears down. Man, what a great flying plane.
Braking. Cruise mode. Flaps up.
Great flying plane. Man, I love this plane.
Braking. Cruise mode. Prop
All right.
secured.
35 seconds left on a 4-minute timer. Let's check our GPS. Stop. Read. Not as fast, but not bad. 124 mile an hour this time. 135 before, I think. And then 124 this time. Not bad at all. So when they say this is, the first time I flew this earlier today, I had her up to 139 mile an hour. And they claimed that on a 6S, the 6S version will go 130. I had 139. So yeah. No, and then they say the 8S will go 150. Well, I believe that. Of course, that's 5,000 in a dive with the wind. I mean, perfect conditions for it. I know true speed would be straight and level with wind not being the factor. So let's see what kind of juice is left in the tank. Have to unplug the KM model afterburner. KM Models, thank you again for that afterburner. I absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. And the battery I'm using is a high voltage pack. It is the SMC High Cycle Life, the LIHV 5300. If you charge it the 4.35 volts and the high voltage, it's 5300, or you can charge like a regular LiPo and it's 4600. But bottom line is, it's a 4600 6S, but it's actually a 5300. I'm sorry, it's a 5300 6S that fits in the same space as a 4600 6S would fit. But let's see how much juice is left in the tank. 26% after a full 3.5 minutes of flying. Not bad at all. And the nice thing about these batteries, yeah, they're about 20% more in cost, but you get the full performance. With a regular LiPo, when you first take off, that first minute and a half with the jet, you got all that power, okay? And then it kind of just starts tapering off. But with these, you pretty much got the full arc, the whole power almost the entire time. So a little bit better performance, and that's what these are designed for. Folks, that is the FREEWING ZEUS 90mm. One phenomenal flying jet, very locked in, very stable, and I definitely wouldn't say it's your beginner jet because of the speed and the cost. But if you've got a couple of EDFs under your belt, a 64 and then a good fast 70, like say the Vulcan, if you can fly the Vulcan 70 millimeter and make that thing dance on its head, and you can fly the Vulcan and carry a conversation while you're flying, then you're ready for Zeus. Now that'd be the best benchmark I could say. If you can fly the FREEWING Vulcan with zero reservation, then you're ready for Zeus. Folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends. And then Zeus.